in this video session, we have to see about the past paper questions in 2021-22. This is according to advanced level, ordinary level past paper questions. That means 36 to 40 questions we have to cover in this video session. So let's move with the 36th one. So they are asking about the programming concept. This not only the programming concept, that's regarding to the loops additionally. So loops means generally we are having so many kind of loops, while, for each. So in here they are asking the questions about the while loop. So one by one we'll see what are the things they are covering in this question. So they are asking about the variable named count. So initially we are having a variable. The value of the variable, the initial one is 12. Then they are utilizing the while loop. So this one is a pseudo code they have given to you. You have to find the correct answer. Then they are asking how many times will the statement count equal to count minus 3 that will be executed in the following code segment. So you have to find how many times this statement is iteratingly one by one. So initially while count that's greater than or equal to 3. So you have to compare this 12 is greater than or equal to 3. So this statement is correct. This condition is correct. So initially the count will be reduced by 3. So the new value of count will be 9. So first time it will be iterating first time. Then n while means you have to go to the top part again. So now again you have to compare the new value of the C is 9. Then you have to compare with the 3 that's greater than or not. That's also correct. So again you have to deduct the value from the count. So the new value of count is now 6. So second time you are doing this statement. Again you have to go with the top part and you will analyze whether the 6 is greater than or equal 3. So this time also your statement is correct. So again you have to deduct the value from the count variable. The new value of the count variable now is 3. So third time we are doing this calculation. So now also again you will come with the statement with the top part of this code segment. Again here they are checking 3, right? The new value of the C is 3. 3 greater than or equal 3, that's fine because the equal sign is here. So again you have to deduct the value 3. So now the value of count is 0. So fourth time you are doing this step. Again you will check 0 is greater than or equal 3. That's wrong. So directly you will come in the bottom part of the code segment. So the loop will be terminated. So how many times you've done with this step is 4 times. So the correct answer for the 36th one is 4. That means the second answer is the correct answer for the 36th question. Then we'll move with the next one. They're asking about the Pascal programming in the 37th and 38th questions. So I'm highlighting this one because it's easily to visible for you. Then yeah, fine. So in here they are asking about the Pascal programming, fine. Then they are asking in the Pascal programming in the array concept. Array is the concept, right? In here we can make some values like x, y. These values generally be called as variables. Variable means we can change the value anytime. Or the values will be changed automatically in the computer programming concept. But x means the particular single variable. You can store a particular value or the particular string value or integer value or float value, whatever, at a single time. But you can change the value. Only the single value you can change. But in array concept, In here, the given array name is books. But in the books array, you are storing multiple values. 96, 75, 105, 254, like that way. We are having multiple value. In the rest, we are having the 80. There are multiple values available here. So that's why specially we called as or call this concept as array, A-R-R-A-Y, array. The name of the array is book. Another thing, inside this array, we are having the values in integer data type. Integer means whole numbers, not the decimal numbers. So once we are defining this array, we have to mention three things. First one, we have to mention about the array's name. Second one, we have to mention about the length of the array. Third one, we have to mention about the data type of the array. So first one, we have to mention about the name. Second one, we have to mention about the length. Third one, we have to mention about the data type. But every arrays, we have follow some format. That means the variable. That means var will become here. The name of the array will become here. Then that's an array, no? So array, within the box bracket, we have to mention the length of the array. Length means initially we have to put the index of the particular given array is 0. So 96 is 0th index. Then first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, then 7. 0 to 7 numbers we are having. The important thing you have to memorize is every array's index will be start with the value 0. That's the thing. 0 up to 7 values we are having inside this array. So that's why we are having array 0 to 7. That's fine. The next one we have to mention is data type of the array, integer. So the correct answer for this 37 question is third one. So others are wrong because in the first answer, they don't have mention about the data type. In the second answer, they are having the dash in between the numbers, the length of the array, and they don't have the data type as well. Then the fourth answer, they have all the correct values, but the thing is 0 to 7 is here. So that won't come. Within the box bracket, you have to mention 0, double dot, then the ending value. 7 will become here because only 0 to 7 values are available here. So that's fine. The third one answer is a correct answer for the 37th. So we'll come with the 38th. Which of the following represent the most expensive book? Most expensive book means the particular book should have the highest value within the array concept. So in here you can see the 200 is the maximum price or the value the particular book is having. So this one is 0, 1, 2, 3. The third index is having the maximum value. So the correct answer for the 38th one is second answer. Because book with index number 3 is having 200. In between these range of numbers, the 200 is the highest value we are having. So the 38th one, we can come with the decision. The second answer is the correct answer. And in this question, they have some confusion also. The thing is, in the first answer also the same. But the thing is, in here we are having the books. In here we are having book. So name should become there. So books is the name of array. The S is additionally there. So we also have to mention as books index of 3. So book that will be wrong. In here book that will be wrong. Books for also wrong because the value is having as 54. Okay, let's come with the next one. That means 39th question. So I'm removing all of the parts here. Then when we are moving with the 39, they are giving us some gate images. Yeah. The logic gate is there. But they are asking some different kind of questions. We'll read one by one. So consider the following logic gate. You know, this one is an AND gate. A, B, and Q will be the answer. Then they are asking, when B is equal to 1, what would be definitely would be the output of Q? So that's the question they are asking. So Q that's equal to A into B. So you will know because this is AND gate, no? So Q is equal to A dot B. In additionally, you know that Q that's equal to B is equal to 1. They have given B is equal to 1. So A into 1. So whatever value you are multiplying with 1, the equivalent value will become as the answer. So A into 1, that means A. So Q is equal to A. So the correct answer for 39 is first answer. Yeah, then we'll move with the next one, the 40th one. In the 40th one, they are asking about the truth table they have mentioned in the above part. They are asking which table is indicated by the given truth table. That's the thing. For this purpose, we can think about multiple gates. But the thing is, if you are having an answer like 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, this order is correct. Generally, we are moving with this order. But if the value is Q and 0, 0, 0, 1, that means if we are having only both inputs are 1, then if you are having an answer as 1, otherwise you are having a 0, then you can come with the decision this is an AND gate. But in here, this is a negation of this value, isn't it? So this is a Q bar. 1, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, then 0 is 1. So this is negatively they are indicating here. So negation of AND gate we called as NAND gate, N-A-N-D, NAND. So the correct answer for the 40th one is second answer. So in this video session, we have seen about the 35 to 40 questions. So we'll see the rest of the questions in the next video session.